do whatever, right, reacting. That right there, that straightening is going to give me the position I need. If I want to take it alone without him straightening, I'm just going to pull to my hip. I'm just going to pull to the outside of my hip, just like so. At the same time, coming up and grab a collar tie and crowning. Okay? So, sin no sin is me, early initiative, me going with the pull and collar tying, crowning, and squatting. Go no sin is him straightening and me using that energy to pull it out to the outside. Okay? Either one's fine. And then I'm here, and then all I'm gonna do is lay down on my side. If he touches the ground when I squat, I don't have to kick this hip. If he doesn't touch the ground, I have to kick that hip if I lay down on my side in order to elongate his body to get him to touch the ground so he can't roll out of this when I drop down onto my side. That's the only mission or the only reason why I kick the hip or don't kick the hip. If he touches the ground, he neutralized his own ability to roll. He stopped his ability to roll.
Touch, no kick, no touch.
Yep. You see it?
Yep.
So, we're gonna assume that he touched the ground. If he touches the ground, all I gotta do when I lay down is bring my ankle up into his groin and then follow his thigh down to his knee. Okay?
Yep.
As I lay down. Yep. At the same time, I reach out, grab my shin, and transfer it to the hand that I have a collar tie on. So, I have a collar tie here, then when I drop, boom, I now have my ankle with my wrist, not my fingers. So I'm right here, he touches, I lay down, comes right up, see it?
Yep.
Boom, boom, there we go, follow down, mission control. This is fire, boom. Then flip, touch, push, flip, seize the neck, I'm good. This is where we stop. This is the same chill dog. When I drop, this hand comes over here. And I secure my ankle. And then, down to my foot, till my elbow flares off and moves his head.
Yep.
And then I push my foot underneath his face. See it? While I'm hooking his leg right here, and we're gonna freeze right here. Okay? So that's called chill dog into a kung fu move. The kung fu move is this, flaring the elbow out, right there. And this is where we freeze. Okay? Now I'm here, hand on his elbow. Just like so. Then I'm taking this leg, shooting through, up and down, and up on my elbow. Now I'm in a 50-50 position. 50-50 because he has the same position as me. Okay. See it? And I tuck my foot behind his back as I'm up on my left elbow. Squeezing my knees here just like so. You understand? And we're gonna freeze where he's gonna try, come on this side, to figure four his feet, right? And all I'm gonna do as he goes is come here, just like so. You see how I reach back and keep over his toes? You see what's happening? His heel?
Yes.
When I do this,
Yep.
it exposes his heel. Then you're gonna come back, just like so, and leave it there. You're not gonna crank or anything, you're just gonna, right here, right under his heel, right here. That's it. tripod up. Now cant his head back, not forward like that. Cant it to the side, just like that. As you walk this way. Walk this way, get this side on the outside of the head. There you go. Now reach back and in the elbow crease, right there. Now just bring it across his face and stay laying down. Pressure, like you're squeezing toothpaste off the tube. Stay this way. Keep going. Now reconnect. No. Reconnect his head. Lay down. Just lay down. Boom. Let his leg go. There you go. See that? There you go.